For your discussion this week, you will complete a case study that is focused on the multiple means of representation principle. A case study gives you an opportunity to examine a real-world situation and apply the knowledge you have gained to support your comprehension. As always, you will begin with step 1 and work through each step of the discussion. In step 1, read and watch the sources that will help support your success in this course. There is an outline template provided that you can use to complete the discussion prompt. Fill in where needed, and then you can copy and paste what you have written into the discussion thread. Your writing support this week focuses on how to locate sources that are valid and credible. Also review the links provided in this week's instructor guidance for additional resources. So as mentioned, your discussion this week is focused on a case study. What you will do first is watch the video that explains a real-world scenario. Then, based on the letter of your last name, you will be providing recommendations to support your assigned learner. Going back to the Week 2 presentation case study outline, you will identify who your assigned student is based on your last name, then identify what the learning barriers are for the student as explained in the video. Then you will choose a specific guideline and checkpoint that falls under the multiple means of representation found in the UDL guidelines checklist, found here. There is also an example for you in blue. Be sure to choose a guideline and checkpoint that will support the learning needs of your assigned student. Then you will describe in your own words your selected guideline and checkpoint. Then you will create a teaching strategy that would support your assigned student and is aligned to your selected guideline and checkpoint. Be sure to explain how your teaching strategy is aligned to your selected guideline and checkpoint, as well as how your teaching strategy will provide greater accessibility to your assigned student. You will then do this again with a different guideline and checkpoint. Finally, you will close out your discussion with identifying at least one digital resource found in Chapter 6 of your text that might be helpful for your assigned student, and how this digital tool will further support your student through multiple means of representation. Be sure to use evidence to support your analysis. Finally, you will then engage in conversation by responding to at least 3 of your peers over 2 separate days. Your first response must be made by Saturday and the other 2 by Monday. Please note that you are expected to follow the bullet points here when responding to at least 2 of your peers. Consider using the bullet points as headings to ensure you address all components.